What's up, boss babe? This your girl, Boss Lady. We come back with another video. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I have gained some subscribers lately, and I want to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Um, if you're not subscribed, please go subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content coming. Business related. We have the virus going on, so I have some day in the life being a mom, plus an entrepreneur and homeschooling now. So I have some of those videos coming up. I have grocery hauls. Like, I have so much coming for my channel this year. It's crazy. But in this video, I'm doing my part one of my huge relaunch inventory. So I'm still waiting on 4 more packages, but with the virus, I don't know when I'm going to get them. So instead of me waiting that long to do the video, I'm just going to do it in 2 parts. So this will be part 1 of my huge inventory. So I have this big box, and basically I don't like boxes in my room, so I've been like unboxing and putting them in like one huge box. So it'd be easier for the video. So we're going to get started with the video. Alright, so let's see. I got these pink boxes right here because I want to do a Boss Babe bundle. So I got these boxes right here, and actually made it so y'all can see what the box look like. And it's gonna be a Boss Babe bundle. So stay on the lookout for that. I will be doing a video on what the bundle comes with. And I got these from Amazon, and they are 6x4. So I got these from Amazon. I got some rose petals for my oils that I'm going to burn to the thing. I got a lot of oils. I got some vitamin E. I hope y'all can see that. There you go. Some vitamin E. I have a bunch of Versagel. Finally, but I had a bunch of Versagel, and I'm waiting on some more. But I got some Versagel. I actually got these boxes too. Hold on. I actually got these boxes because I want to package one of my new products in them. So basically, this is the box. I was playing around with it, but this is the box, how big it is, and it's for one of my new products that I'm bringing, and I thought I could package them up real cute. Because when you get mail from Boss Lady, I want it to feel like a present. I want you to open up the present. So we got some of these boxes. I got this Amazon bag, and I got something else. I have a lot coming, so you're gonna hear me say that a lot. But I thought these bags was big enough to fit my handbags. Handbags are coming, but it was too little. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all in this video what I will be doing with these also. So I'm gonna put that right there. So I got a bag for those. And if y'all want me to, actually put the prices below, just leave a comment and I'll edit a video and add the stuff in there. I got some pigments for my lip glosses. I got a bunch of colors. Not a Russia gel. I got some more oils. I got some grapeseed oil. Hold on. It's like, hold on. I got some grapeseed oil. Some castor oil. And almond oil. And then I actually went to got me some fragrance, some, you know, the flavoring oils for my lip gloss. And I went to Get Suckered. There, oh my god, it smells like a cake factory in my room that I do my lip gloss, because these are so, they smell so good. But it's getsuckered.com. And I just got cotton candy, watermelon, vanilla, cake batter, and bubblegum. So those are the flavors that I got to try out, and it smells so good. You probably won't even need a lot to actually smell it in your lip gloss, because when I say it's strong, it has a strong scent to it. So I'll save this one next. So I had got a bunch of mailers. So I got like different sizes. Like I got this size. I got these mailers. And then I got this size because I have something coming that I know will fit in here. So I just ordered different type of mailers or whatever that have different sizes. So that was all in that box. I have these two today. I have this box right here, and it's actually for my lip oils. I don't know what my settings is, guys, but it's actually for my lip oils. So it's just lip oil containers that I got. That is all in there. And then let's see. I'm gonna show y'all my business cards. I love my business cards. You know, they had the straight corners and I rounded them myself, but this is my business card. Now my thank you cards, it's probably my fault with the sizing, and you know, like it's too much white. So only thing I'm gonna have to do is actually trim it, and then I'm going to round the corners on these also. But these are my business cards that I ordered, and the only thing I don't like about it is how it's too much white. But other than that, I really like my business cards and my thank you cards. So I got those. And then I'm adding some clips. I have some more clips coming, but it will be in part 2 with that one. So I'm adding clips, and my relaunch date is going to be the first week in April. I'm pushing for the first week in April. That's if I get everything that I need to relaunch my business. So basically that's what I'm waiting on to do relaunch. So I will keep y'all updated through videos of when the launch date will be. So but I got some clips. We got that one. And then I got this one. I hope y'all can see it. Got that one. I got these. Got those. sleeve. Then I got a couple of gold ones. A couple of gold ones. We got the circle one. Then a heart one. But I have a lot more clips coming. But those are just some of the clips. So you're going to dropping clips on the website. And they're cute. Let me put one in. Look at this one. Look at this. Put it in. Woo. I'm gonna wear my clip. It's cute. Okay. So those are my clips. Now we're going to get into two of my most favorite items that I'm adding to my site. I really like them. So the first one is, look, and it has my logo on it. And I will be doing Take Flight with Boss Lady. And it's gonna be like a little bundle set, limited edition. So, like, look guys, isn't it cute? It has my logo on it. I am so excited to bring these. But you actually can, like, it's cute. Bundles are coming. Oh, and then for the little bag, I'm gonna put some shred in it. And it's going to I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to just put some ribbon on it and then stick it in the middle. So that's what I got that bag for, because it's not going to fit my handbags. So I'm going to take use of it because I bought it, and we're going to use it. All right guys, I'm excited about this one. But your girl is dropping new lashes. And I also, so basically, like, these boxes right back here behind me are my lashes. And let me share that. My lashes, and then the other box is these. So that's what y'all see down here, so I don't have to lift them up. So it's just my lashes, and I got my lashes right here, and then a box of these. So your girl is bringing custom boxes on her relaunch, and I don't think I want to stick with this box. It's pretty and I like it, but my vendor actually is working on another type of box for me. So these are my boxes for now. So, and then your girl got the applicator with the logo. Do you see it? I'm excited. Like, look, it has my logo. I was excited when I got this because, like, it's mine. So I got that. And we have my lash boxes. Here's my lash box. It has the gold little thing you pull out. And you just pull it up. And those are your lashes. Sneak peek, one of my new lashes. I have, but those are my boxes, guys. Those are my new boxes, and I got my business website and my Instagram on the back. I like the boxes, but like I said, we have something in mind that I want to bring, you know, once I run out of these boxes and I reorder, it'll probably be something different. So, but these are my boxes. What do you guys think? It is cute and girly. Like, look at those lashes. What should I name them? Help me name that lash. But I got 10 new lash styles coming with my relaunch. But I'm not going to break it down in this video because I don't want the video long. But stay tuned for my lash video, because I will be organizing my lashes and naming them and stuff like that. And I'll actually go in detail and show you each lash style that I'm bringing to Boss Lady V Designs company. So 10 new lashes is coming. Basically that is it for this video. Like I said, it will be a part 2 once I get my other items in. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. This is my first unboxing. It will be a part 2, so stay tuned for part 2. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel, so you can see what else Boss Lady V Designs is bringing to the table. So I really hope y'all enjoy this video. I have a couple of videos that is coming behind this video. Like, you will see me actually organizing this stuff, where it need to go and stuff like that. And then my lash video is coming, and then I have a lot of videos coming, because I'm going to show y'all what y'all going to get in the bundle box. So that video is coming also. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. The next video that you'll probably see me is organizing this stuff, because I don't like clutter. So I really hope y'all like this video. Thumbs up this video, comment this video, share this video, do it all for Boss Lady V. Until my next video, guys, thanks.